Pag-usapan natin yung mga unbeautiful financial moments we've all faced. Ako, very recently, I was trying to withdraw in an ATM machine tapos declined yung transaction. Naghanap ako ng ibang ATM machine na sure may laman kasi may naunang nag-withdraw pero sa akin, declined ulit. Yun pala, expired na yung card ko. So I had to go to the bank's branch to have it replaced. It took me 1 hour of waiting bago ako ma-assist and the transaction itself took less than 5 minutes kasi may fill outan lang na form and then ID. Nanghinayang lang ako ng slight sa 1 hour na waiting time. Naging productive sana ako noon or nagre-relax. Yun yung isa sa mga nakaka-frustrate when it comes to traditional banks. Kapag mahaba ang pila, kahit preferred may pila pa din lalo na pag madaming tao. Minsan din, complicated yung process for simple transactions. Like last time, I needed a bank cert for visa. Need pa daw balikan the following day kasi nag-iba na yung process. Before same day makukuha mo yun. Sometimes may hidden fees or mahal yung transaction fee